Back to live action. Ito po si James Yap. And he gets his first 2 points of the fourth quarter. He ended the third quarter again with 10 points. Same as what happened in game number 6.
And his first shot na nakita natin dito sa fourth quarter, yung tira na yan, pasok. Remember, ganun din nagsimula yung 20-point performance niya in the last game.
Ito, missed by Marlo Aquino. Roger Yap ngayon nagbababa ng bola. And they're once again looking at James Yap. Nicely guarded by Denok Miranda. Binigyan na screen ni Mark Pigris. Pigris ngayon ang sumugod. Gives it to Kirby Raimundo. 6 seconds to shoot. Kirby spins. Pasa niya. Naagaw.
A good help defense on the part of Santa Lucia. Pagka-spin ni Kirby, so many white shirts waiting for him at the post.
Here's Marlo Aquino working against Romela Ducol. Marlo Aquino with a hook shot.
And every time Dennis Espina is about to check in, and you will see him, pagdaan natin ang camera dyan, ito si Marlo Aquino starts to make his basket. Para ito si Coach Boy, hindi niya na alam, papalitan ko ba si Marlo o hindi?
Ay, nandiyan pa rin si Dennis Espino sa sidelines. Ito ngayon si Roger Yap. Roger Yap, hinahanap si Kirby Raimundo. Trying to shake off itong si Ryan Reyes. Yap goes up! Yes! So it's like Pure Foods players saying that, you know, sige, you want to ball up James Yap, kami na lang ang gagawa dito.
Yap and Simon, they have been attacking the basket. Hindi sila natatakot. Miski maraming shot blockers itong Santa Lucia.
And they will go to Marlo Aquino. At Ducol has 5 fouls. Aquino ngayon, 5 seconds to shoot. Bumihin, Aquino, nice play, kicks it out, 2 seconds to shot clock. And Miranda misses that one. Pigris, high up for the rebound. Lead pass to James Yap. James Yap against Denok Miranda. Side-stepping move, too strong. Another bola, ends up with Kelly Williams. Running down court, Williams to Reyes. Yes!
That's what happens when you miss a layup on one end. Santa Lucia is a team that likes to run. They're a quick team. If you miss a layup in this league, you're going to pay with another layup on the other end.
James Yap for 3. Bang! A TM3 from James Yap. Is this a sign again for Pure Foods? No! Tingnan natin.
James Yap, simply one of the best fourth quarter scorers in the entire league. And he's one of the best big game players at nakikita natin yan. Nagsisimula na pumasok ang mga tira ni James Yap.
Hindi nila may bigay kay Marlo bola. Ikot na lang sa other end. Here's Ryan Reyes. Reyes to Norman Gonzalez. Naubusan ang shot clock. Sabi na referee, teka lang muna, Roger. Teka muna dahil inabot na nga ng shot clock. Ito Santa Lucia. Dennis Espino finally checks in for Marlo Aquino. But the big guy has done his job here in the fourth quarter. Marlo Aquino, a total of 11 points.
You know, those 11 points really showed that he's a post presence. Most of them coming here in the second half.
Pigris wants the basketball. Posting up against Bitoyo Molon. Pigris ngayon. Na-double team. Nawala ng bola. Joseph Yo gets it. At may kumapit dito kay Joseph Yo.
It's been a while since we've heard the referees blow their whistle. Nakita natin na hinahawakan kanina si Joseph Yo. But aggressiveness on both ends and the referees allowing them to play. But Kirby Raimundo picking up his 5th.
Yun na nga eh, no? With 7 minutes and 14, that's the 5th foul on Kirby Raimundo. So what's the move here by Coach Ryan? Will he stay with Kirby or pagpapahingay niya? Ito na, atakihin ka agad nila. Ito si Kirby Raimundo. Bitoyo Molon making his move. Bitoyo Molon. Nasa raduan is Joseph Yo. Plenty of time, 10 seconds to shot clock. Yo for 3. No! So Raimundo now with that rebound playing on borrowed time. James Yap goes closer. Nasa raduan. And may foul na nakita si referee Boy Cruz. Pinapitan ni Joseph Yo si James Yap.
It took a while before they realized that Joseph Yo was giving up that foul.
That's a second foul on Joseph Yo.
Pero nakikita natin yung respeto ng Santa Lucia and how big James Yap is in this ball game. Pagkahawakan niya yung bola, Santa Lucia really ready to give up that foul.
Yap for 3. Bang! Another TM3 from James Carlos Yap. A total of 18 points for big game James.
But we talked about it at the start of the game, Richard. give James Yap a chance to win it for you in the fourth quarter. Right now, James Yap just dominating this game.
Espino, supalpal niya Dugol. That was a gamble of Romela Dugol, ha? He has 5 fouls.
But you can't quit now. You know, those fouls, hindi mo nun mauuwi yan. You have to play your defense and hope that the referees won't call a foul.
Paksak dito si James Yap, and there's a blocking foul. Ball against Denok Miranda. And Ryan Reyes checking back in place of Denok Miranda.
They're gonna try something new right now. Denok Miranda, he has been successful in this game guarding James Yap. But here in the fourth quarter, James Yap owns Denok Miranda.
Ito na naman si James Yap for 3. Wala ko na naglag. Good line. And the Pure Foods gallery ready to explode. Joseph Yo goes inside. Left-handed layup is good. The Ninja slices the defense of Pure Foods and gives Santa Lucia back the lead.
Sakto-sakto sinabi mo, Richard. Parang ginamit niya yung samurai niya para makalusot ng tuluyan dun sa depensa ng Pure Foods. Another turnover para sa Pure Foods right now. Santa Lucia, at the moment, looking for a go-to guy. On the other hand, Pure Foods, alam na nila, James Yap can give me the points. The question is, para sa Santa Lucia, who's gonna be their fourth quarter man?
It's all a question of desire and heart. Here in the fourth quarter with 5:38 remaining, Santa Lucia only up by a point.
This timeout is